Go there, sir. Yeah.
Hi, innocent. Hello. Okay. This is the brother?
This is the father.
Oh,
Okay.
hello. Go, come.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Please come.
This is my brother Carlos.
Come.
You teach him how to use this one. For example, you want, if you want whether Uganda is a good country, you just write it. Because anything you ask, you see they are writing for you.
How are you doing?
Touching. Then jaw.
Oh, that.
Yes.
Nice. Is, yeah, good.
Is your time in school and this can help you achieve better?
20th century. It's very important because a lot of conflicts happened there in that century. They need to learn about them.
Savings for him so he can get a good education. Yeah.
Thank you for your school. Wait.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.